Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. I, Nikita Kane, your mathematics teacher, invites all the students of class 1 to this e-class. This e-class is for class 1. Subject is mathematics. The topic that we are going to learn in today's e-class is zero. This presentation is presented by your mathematics teacher, Miss Nikita Kane. Quick recap, students. Before we start on with our today's class, let us have a quick revision of the previous class. Let us revise what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned the topic subtraction by counting backwards in the previous class. Students, in the previous class, we have learned the topic subtraction by counting backwards. We learned the methods of subtracting by counting backwards. How we subtract by counting backwards? For example, the question is 5 minus 3. How we will subtract by counting backwards? We will open our 3 fingers and then we will start counting backwards. Let us open 3 fingers. Open 3 fingers. Now count backwards. 4, 3, 2. We reach at 2. That means answer is 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is how we count backwards and subtract. Now here is our today's topic. We are going to learn the topics 0 and adding 0 in our today's class. First of all, we will learn that what is 0, and then we will learn how to add 0 with other numbers. We will learn the addition of 0 and 0 in our today's class. 0. 0 stands for none. 0 counts nothing. Here you can see how we write 0. 0 is round circle, a small circle. We write 0 as a small circle and we call it 0. 0 means nothing and 0 counts nothing. When we talk about counting 0, 0 means nothing and value of 0 is also nothing. Now let us learn 0 with the help of an example. Here you can see this beautiful picture. In this picture you can see pond, frogs, log, etc. You can see 3 frogs are sitting on a log. In this picture 3 frogs are sitting on a log. Out of 3 frogs, 1 frog jumps into a pool. Out of 3, 1 jumps into the pond. There were 3 frogs on a log. Out of 3, what we saw that 1 jumps into the pool. When 1 jumps into the pool out of 3, how many left on the log? Count 1, 2. Now we are able to see only 2 frogs sitting on the log. That means 2 frogs left on the log. Out of 3, 1 jumps into the pool, then only 2 frogs left on the log. Here we can see that 2 frogs on the log. Now two frogs are sitting on the log. Earlier there were three frogs sitting on the log. Out of three, one jumps into the pool, so two left. Now two frogs on the log. Now out of two frogs, one jumps into the pool. Now how many frogs in the pool? Now in the pool we can see that there are two frogs and only one left on the log. Earlier in starting we had three frogs on the log. Out of three, one jumps into the pool. Then two left. Out of two, now one jumps into the pool. Now there are two frogs in the pool. When the second frog jumps in the pool, only one frog left on the log. Now we can see that two frogs are there in the pool, they are in the water, and one is left on the log. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Only one left on the log. When two frogs are in the pool, only one frog is on the log. Only one frog left on the log. Other two jumps in the pool. Now, frog number 3 also jumps into the pool. In the starting, we had 3 frogs on the log. First frog jumps into the pool, then second frog jumps into the pool. Now third one also jumps into the pool. Now we have 3 frogs in the water. Now we have 3 frogs in the pool. In this picture, how many frogs are there on the log? There is no frog on the log. There is nothing. Nothing means zero. That means we can say that zero frog left on the log. There were 3 frogs on the log. Out of those 3, first frog jumps into the pool, then second one jumps into the pool. Now third one also jumps into the pool. Out of 3, all the 3 jumps into the pool, so no one left on the log. When we say that no one is there on the log or nothing left on the log, that means there are 0 frogs left on the log. Here is another example of 0. This is very beautiful picture. There are 2 birds sitting on a tree. In this picture, you can see that 2 birds are sitting on a tree. 1, 2. 2 birds on a tree. Out of 2 birds, one bird fly away. Out of 2, one bird fly away. When bird number 1 flies away, only one bird left on the tree. Now you can see in this image that only one bird is left on the tree. We can see only one bird is sitting on the tree. That means only one bird is left. Out of 2, one flies away, one left. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Out of 2, now only one left on the tree. Here, the second bird also flies away. Bird number 2 also fly away. You can see that both the birds are flying. No one is left on the tree. Both the birds fly away. So now see how many birds are left on the tree. We can see that no bird is there on the tree. We can see no bird is sitting on the tree. There were two birds. They were sitting on the branch of a tree. Firstly, one bird leaves, one bird fly away, then one bird left. That bird also fly away. Now how many birds left? There is no one on the tree. Nothing is there on the tree. That means there is no bird on the tree. When there is no bird on the tree, we can say that zero bird left on the tree. Because nothing means zero. So from here it is clear that 0 is nothing. Here nothing is left on the tree. No one is there. No bird is on the tree. That means 0 bird left on the tree. Now adding 0. In this picture you can see that there are 3 biscuits in plate number 1. And in plate number 2 there are 0 biscuits. In plate 1 we have 3 biscuits and in plate number 2 there are 0 biscuits. If we add the biscuits in both the plates, then what will be the answer? 3 biscuits. Let us count the biscuits in plate 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 biscuits. And in plate number 2 there is nothing. That means 0 biscuits. So 3 biscuits plus 0 biscuits is equal to 3 biscuits. 3 biscuits plus 0 biscuits. Let us count how much we will get as answer. 1, 2, 3. We will get 3 as answer. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Number plus 0 is always equal to the same number. Number plus 0 is equal to same number. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Whenever we will add 0 with a number, it will always give answer as the same number. For example, if it is 4 plus 0, answer will be 4. 6 plus 0, answer will be 6. Like this it happens. Okay. So always remember that whenever we will add 0 with a number, answer will be same number. Now if we add number with 0, in first place 0 is given and second place number is given. Here is an example of biscuits. 0 biscuits plus 5 biscuits. Then what will be the answer? 0 plus 5. Now let us count the number of biscuits in both the plates. In plate 1, no biscuits is there, 0 biscuits. And in plate 2, 5 biscuits. So 0 plus 5. Let us count all together. Let us count the number of biscuits in both the plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. If we add a number with 0, then also the answer is same number. Number plus 0 is equal to same number. 0 plus number is also equal to the same number. This is very important note. Please note down that always remember that number plus 0 is equal to same number. For example, 1 plus 0. It will always be equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, and so on. Okay? Always remember, number plus 0 is equal to same number. Now let us solve some questions based on addition of 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Here we will apply number plus 0 is equal to same number. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Number plus 0 is equal to same number. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 because number plus 0 is equal to same number. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 because 0 plus number is also equal to the same number. Now, please note down your homework. Your homework is to complete page number 23 in your mathematics book. Page number 23 is the topic adding 0. Addition of 0. Some questions based on the topic adding 0 are given. Those questions you have to solve and complete in your mathematics book. My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope to see you soon in our next mathematics class. Till then, be safe and complete your work.